All right, welcome back. So let's say that you wanted to export this layer as. So let's right click on layer 2 and click on export as. And what that's going to do is it's going to give you an option now. So you can select the format. So we can do PNG, JPEG, GIF, SVG. So let's save it as a JPEG and then export all. And I can call this layer 42. Okay. I'll save it. And it's going to let me export that as whatever format I need. So if I right click on this and do properties, now we can see it's a JPEG. Okay, so that's one way to export as. The other way to do it is if I go to layer and click on export as, it's going to do the same thing that we just did through the layers panel. Okay, I'm going to hit cancel since we did it. And then the other way to do it is if I hit Alt Shift Control apostrophe. So let's try that, Alt Shift Control. Okay, it's going to give me the option to pull that layer, and then I can give it a width, a height, a scale, etc. I can give it all this information here, and we can select GIF, and I'll export all, and we'll call it layer 2. It's going to let me name it the same, so I'm going to hit Control S to save. It's going to let me use the same name because it's a different format, so it is a different extension. Okay, so that's how you use export as in Photoshop layers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.